And good afternoon, everybody. We have our Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Bead Booster Ceramic Detailer. Advanced SiO2 Plus Wax Technology. Instant gloss, beading, and protection through any wax, sealant, or coating. Just spray on and wipe off. Now, I've been using this product off and on since I purchased it. I originally did a video of it when I used the little foamy clay thing that came with this. This product is not a bad product. It is actually really good. I haven't had any streaking issues or high spot issues, but if you do, you can apply more of the product onto the affected area and then buff it dry. So it does come off with itself. You want to shake this during and before and during use. So we'll just make sure she's completely shaken up. What I like to do is a couple of sprays like on the towel, and then 1, 2, maybe 3 light sprays on the panel. And we're gonna go like this. Now please note, my car is already washed, so before I use any quick detailer or anything like that, I give the car a thorough wash, because these quick detailers, despite advertisements and all this other stuff, not really meant to wash your whole car with. I mean, it's supposed to be used to, remove light dust and fingerprints, but I guess if you're just doing that, it should be okay. So as you can see, this product wipes off really nice. And it was very simple. Just like that. And I did half the panel. I spent more time explaining it than it took to put it on there. So yeah, I gave it a really good shine. The slickness is good. So yeah, I would purchase this again, and I'm going to purchase this again. Compared to the McGuire's, this one seems to be a bit better. It smells good. It doesn't have a chemical odor to it. So if you're worried about that in closed spaces, you don't really need to worry about it. It's kind of fruity smell, like a Carnauba paste wax smell. Yeah, there you have it. So small little ending for this video. So occasionally, even after shaking it and you get to a certain point of this bottle, you get that where it kind of clogs up. So let's take off this cap and we'll take a look inside to see. And as you can see, there's clogging happening from, I guess, the wax that's inside of it. But it gets stuck inside the bottom of the tube. Now if we look inside the bottle, there's still a good amount in there. So what I've been doing is to get my money's worth, because everything's going up. So I'm taking some picture hanging wire here, which, you can use anything really. It's long enough to fit inside. All you have to do is pop off the cap there. You'll take your fishing wire and you'll stick that right inside. You just have to, excuse me a bit, working with one hand here, but yeah. So what we can do for this video's sake is I was trying to figure out a way to angle this so that way I can do that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Alright. So you get your picture hanging wire or fishing line, whatever you want to use. You just shove that right up in there from one end to the other, and it just pushes it right out. So then once you got your hose as clean as you can get it, you'll take the end, not this one, with the split on it. See how, I don't know if you can see here because my camera won't focus, but the other end is perfectly round. So that's the end that goes back into your cap here. You'll take it, and then it still kind of gets clogged, but I'm thinking it's inside of the nozzle. But yeah, that's the only flaw that I see with this, is after a certain point it clogs up. So I don't think there'll be any harm in shaking it up really good for the last bit. I was trying to see if there was a, there we go. As you can see, it's like that much that's in there right here. You guys can see that. So I don't think it'll be any harm in shaking it up really, really good, and then just pouring some onto a towel. This right here, if it does get on the paint, it doesn't harm anything. I just kind of tested that out a little bit on my car, and but it's very gel-like, like a silicone, or one of those little toys that you sling and it sticks to stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that information with you guys, because I don't know if it's a, I don't know why, but it does it. So keep an eye out for that, and thank you for watching.